Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Well, today I'm going to show you guys how I make my salad. Um, hubby was having some brothers over for game night, so I decided to make them a little bit of stuff to eat. So I brought some, premium romaine salad. I love this salad because it's just crispy and nice. And I have some bacon, and I have some shredded cheese, tomato, cucumbers, and as usual. So, and croutons. And I have eggs and just a little bit of black pepper, you know. Yes, guys. Well, hubby was having a game night with the brothers. They play basketball together, and they decided to have a game night. So I just, decided to make some food for them. This was one of those. Or when you can just make this if you're having like friends over, maybe like for lunch or something like that. Like I do that, like not African friends, because they want rice, cassava leaf, topagi, and kitty. Don't give them anything green. They're gonna be like, why you giving me leaf to eat? You think I'm gonna goat or something? So yeah, but I love salad and my son loves salad, so I was just trying to, make something for them, and this was one of them. So I put my salad in the bowl. I put a little bit of ingredients and stuff in there to, mix it up, and then after I did, then I went ahead and put all those ingredients back again to decorate it, because I just wanted to be able to. I just wanted it to mix. So let's just say if you get some salad, you still gonna have some tomato, you still gonna have some onions, because I already had mixed it and stuff like that. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm cutting up the onions, and I just want to take this time to say I'm sorry that I'm talking a lot and fast, but I just want to take this time to tell you guys thank you for everything. Like, I have hit 200 subscribers, and I'm so excited and happy, and this ride is long, so we're still riding. So I just want to tell the 200 subscribers thank you guys for subscribing to my channel, and I am so grateful to have you guys, and I tell God thank you for having you. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, so that's it. Back to the salad. Put in the cucumbers and the tomatoes and onions, I think. And I just like, I love to decorate stuff. I don't know why, but even food, I want it to look pretty. I want when you see that food, you be like, oh, that food look good. Like, let me try it, even if it's not sweet, but at least it look good. So yeah, I'm just putting a little bit of vegetables oil in there, just a little bit. So just like maybe a teaspoon of vegetable oil, just a little bit. I also like to put vinegar, but I didn't have that, so I just use a little bit of vegetable oil. So guys, I also have other video of this cooking. I had made some spaghetti, some jollof rice, some what else? Something else, but I have the video to that. I'm gonna put that up, but just decided to put the salad one up. I love salad, like I said. When you're having like a lunch date with your friends, it's a good lunch to make simple and easy, especially if you like having like a lunch date with like maybe the brothers or the sisters, basically, is good and stuff, because like having a lunch day with African, it's not a lunch date. It's a dinner date, because they want to eat everything: rice, soup, cassava leaf, tabagi, potato green. They don't want to know something like that just gonna maybe tickle their stomach or something like that. They want heavy. They want something heavy. But I love to have like a lunch day with my my sisters, or my it's fun. It's easy and fun, and not too much work into it and stuff. So yeah, just put in like the bacon, the rest of the bacon over it, and that bacon is really nice. It's from Walmart. And some eggs. And a little bit more of onions. You know, I'm just like trying to decorate the top and stuff like that, just so it can look. But all the stuff is already in there. Sorry, I didn't show the cheese part because I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. And just a little bit of black pepper. You know, not too much, but just a little bit to just have a little bit over it as well. So yes, guys, that's how I make my salad. You know, you cover it up, put it in the refrigerator. I didn't put the croutons in there because I don't want it to be soggy. So when the guests come, then you can put it over it because you don't want it to be soggy. So yes, guys, that's how I make my little salad for a lunch date or whatsoever. So thanks for watching, and God bless you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.